Hi, this video is for Thursday, October 8th. Thursday, October 8th. So today, we're going to get started with our daily packet. So we are on Unit 2, Week 3, Day 4. All right, so the first piece is finding which box belongs with which spelling word. So we want to pay attention to which ones go up high, which ones droop down. So this first one, we're going to put a capital letter D, which goes up high, D-R-Y, which drips down. Here it looks like tall, skinny. Oh, maybe the word kind. Here we have the word, I think, sky, little, big, tall, and droops down. Here, let's see, we have a short, a long, skinny, one that droops down, and then two more talls. Okay, not light, not bright. Ooh, maybe the word night. N-I-G-H-T, the word night. Here we have little, maybe child, little, tall, letter I, tall L, tall B, child. Here, maybe the word tried, T-R-I-E-D, tried. Here we have, maybe the word high, up high. Here we have two littles, a long, skinny, little and tall, maybe cried. Here we have two, and the words bright and light. So this one's probably bright. And last one, light. Okay, that completes our spelling boxes. You get to pick one or more of your spelling words and use it in a sentence. So I'll say, I was kind to the child. I'm going to go even further. That cried. I use three spelling words: kind, child, cried. All right, math facts. 10 minus 8 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 12 take away 9 is 3. 8 take away 2, 6. 11 take away 2, 9. 20 minus 8 is 12. The last piece, we have our numbers. So 72, we're going to write it in the place value part. So 72 has 0 hundreds, 7 tens, 2 ones, which looks like 70 plus 2. To write the number, it's 72, right next to each other, 72. 421 has 4 hundreds, 2 tens, 1 one. And it looks like this: 400 plus 20 plus 1, or 421 all smushed together. Right, so that's the first piece of our homework assignments. The next thing is a leveled reader. So you're going to read Arachne the Weaver, or you can go into benchmark assignments and have it read to you, Arachne the Weaver. And you're going to answer the comprehension questions. These questions will be in Seesaw. So if you go to Seesaw, click on activities, you'll want to type your answers. Make sure that if the question is asking for text evidence, that you write down what page you found your answer on. So that is a leveled reader Seesaw activity. So that's something you'll do on your own. Our benchmark activity is rereading The Troll Returns, and we're going to answer 2 questions. What are the challenges that Troll faces, and how does Troll's character change in the story? So we'll keep those questions in mind as we reread The Troll Returns. So we'll reread the entire story, which begins on 30. So here it goes. The Troll Returns, a sequel to Three Billy Goats Gruff. Once upon a time, a mean troll guarded a bridge over a river. Stay away, Troll roared when anyone came near the bridge. His roar made a lion's roar sound like a mouse's squeak. But that was once upon a time. Big Billy Goat Gruff was not scared of Troll. He knocked Troll off that bridge. Trip, trap, trip, trap. Big Billy Goat Gruff and his brothers ate the tasty grass on the other side. Splash! Troll fell into the river. It's my bridge, yelled Troll as he floated down the river. Mine, miney, mine. Steam came out of his ears. He was so mad. Then Troll saw an ad for politeness school. Do you get mad easily? Do you yell a lot? Yes and yes. Would you like to have friends? Friends, thought Troll. Gee, I never had any friends before. Come to politeness school. Learn to be nice. Nice? I do not know how to be nice. Oh well, said Troll, since I am floating toward that school, I might as well try it. Politeness school was hard work. Troll learned how to smile. He learned to say please and thank you and have a nice day. Troll was the best student in the class. He was also the only student in the class. Troll was now nice. He had a diploma to prove it. He went back up the river to his grassy hill. Billy goats by the dozens crossed the bridge. Dozens more were eating his grass. Troll did not get mad. He said, hello, goats. A big smile filled his face, though it kind of looked like he had a toothache. Oh no, Troll is back, cried a tiny Billy goat. Run for your life. Wait, said Troll, do not run. I am not mean anymore. I will not yell. I will not roar. He showed them his report card from politeness school. Great big Billy Goat Gruff looked at the smiling Troll. You are nice now? He asked. Oh, yes, I am, and thank you for noticing, said Troll. Well, since you are nice, I have a job for you. You can be the greeter at the bridge. In the morning, when the goats cross the grassy hill, you can say, have a nice day. In the evening, when they cross back, you can say, thank you for coming. I would like that job, said Troll, and he did at first. He greeted the goats in the morning. He thanked them for coming in the evening. After a week, though, his big smile started to sag. I am nice to the goats, Troll thought. I am polite, but not once has a goat said thank you to me. Not once has a goat said have a nice day to me. The next day, little Billy Goat Gruff came to the bridge. Troll waved hello. He smiled. The goat did not smile back. He just went trip, trap, trip, trap over the bridge. That is it, yelled Troll. He stomped his feet and beat his chest. He let out a fierce roar. Get off my bridge. Little Billy Goat Gruff was so scared. He turned around and ran off. Soon, medium Billy Goat Gruff came to the bridge. He was trip-tropping across the bridge when Troll roared. If you can't be polite and say hello, get off my bridge. Medium Billy Goat Gruff was scared. He turned around and ran off. Then great big Billy Goat Gruff came to the bridge. He saw steam shooting from Troll's ears. Before you roar at me, said great big Billy Goat Gruff, remember what happened last time. Troll remembered falling into the water. He thought about his politeness school training. He counted to 3, then let out a deep breath. Calmly, Troll said, being nice is not for me. It goes against my trollness. Trolls are not good at letting things pass by them. Trolls are good at keeping things out. I do not want you to knock me off the bridge again. I will leave quietly. Wait, said great big Billy Goat Gruff. We were wrong not to say thank you to you. Let me make it up to you. I think I have a better job for you. The big goat led Troll to a deep lake at the bottom of a steep hill. Your new job is to keep Billy goats away from the water. We are not good swimmers. From that day forward, Troll roared, stay away, keep out, whenever a Billy goat came near the lake. Then, after the goat moved away, he added, have a nice day. So the questions were, so reread the story, we did that. What are the challenges Troll faces? So I'll put a little C here for challenges, maybe CH for challenges, the kind of problems that he had. So first was, let me kind of go back to the story because there's a few. Is that, he goes back to the bridge area or as he's heading back. Oh, sorry. As he's going down the water from that time that he got kicked off the bridge from Big Billy Goat Gruff, he's floating down the river and sees the signs and decides to be nice. So maybe a challenge is that he's kind of mean by nature. He's just, he said, it's kind of my troll in me. I just am that way. He goes to polite school and he's nice, so that's a good thing. He thinks he solved his problem. But then another challenge is the goats, they're not being mean, but they don't appreciate, goats don't appreciate what he's doing. They don't say thank you, they don't smile at him, they don't say hello, they don't appreciate that he's there saying hello to them, thank you for coming. They don't appreciate him at all. They're just kind of ignoring him. That's another challenge he had. And then of course, eventually he loses his temper. He loses his temper and he's just like, that's it. It's not fair that I'm over here being so nice and everyone's just walking right past me. But then, thank goodness, the Big Billy Goat Gruff is like, well, there's a great idea. You can kind of be nice and use your kind of roaring and your screaming to keep the billy goats away from danger, from falling into that lake. So those are the challenges. How does Troll's character change in the story? Gonna write challenge again. How does the character? Oh, I was gonna write change. Character. He changes by being nice, and then he's mean. Kind of similar to the challenges. He's nice, then he goes to being mean, and then he kind of goes to being kind of in the middle. Is kind of how he changes at the end, and in the middle he gets to, like we said earlier, he gets to scream and say, no, don't come this way, I keep things out of here. And then, oh, have a nice day. So he kind of goes in the middle at the end. So he changes and finds like the perfect middle. So that is our Troll Returns rereading, writing the challenges, and how Troll changes in the story. Which leaves us next with our math. So we started a new topic today, topic 4, working with equal groups, which today's lesson is called repeated addition. Repeated addition 4-1. So you see these little pictures here, so you can count the little circles. You can count, or you could actually add up the numbers. So here we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, 1, 2, 3. Here is 5 plus 5, and go 10. A way I like to add together is I like to circle pairs when it gets to be two big numbers here. So if I go like 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, I can go 6 plus 6. Ooh, another double, which then gives me the new problem of 12. That's a double. 12 plus 3 more is 15. You can also count up all your little dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 4 plus 4 is 8, one of our doubles. So since it's repeated addition, a lot of times we can make doubles, sometimes even a few times like here. So here they're saying if this is repeated addition, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, what number is missing to give us 10? So it should be another 2. And we can kind of verify here. 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Here's another 2 plus 2 gives us 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then 8 plus 2 more makes 10. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 more gives us 12. 4, 4, 4. So a nice little tip is, right, it's always the same digit. If it's repeated addition, it's the same number being added over and over. Onto the back side, 3 people pick apples. So these are the boxes for the 3 people. Each person picks 5 apples. How many apples do they pick? 5 plus 5 plus 5. We can skip count. 5, 10, 15. 3 children go to the gift shop. So here's 1 kid, 2 kids, 3 kids. and they each buy 3 postcards. Which sentence shows this problem? Okay, not one, because there's 3 things for each kid. Nope. 3 plus 2, no. 3 plus 3, no, because there's 3 kids. So here, this one represents 3 kids with 3 postcards each, letter D. Okay, number 13, write a story problem using repeated addition. Let's see, so maybe I use maybe like a bug idea. I think those are B's. There are, maybe there's 2 B's. I'll say 3. There are 3 B's with 6 legs each. How many total legs? How many legs in all? So there's 3 B's, that's 1, 2, 3. When you know what, I think they gave me too many lines, so let me put an X on this one. I just need 3 spaces. And then I'm gonna go 6 legs plus 6 legs plus 6 legs. So if I add 6 plus 6, that gives me 12. 12 plus 6 more is 18 legs in all for those 3 B's. Okay, so that is our topic for lesson 1. Don't forget to do that quick check for your lesson. Practice your Español. Remember, we are reviewing lessons 1, 2, and 3, and you can go to those by either clicking on a blank piece of the virtual classroom, like the wall or the floor, or you can also use your side arrows to go back and forth between lessons. All right, well, have a happy Thursday, and I'll see you later.